we're back. This is the one that I felt had the loose crank bearing, so I wanted to take a look. I definitely think it's got a bad crank bearing. I'm sure it'd still run. Piston's got some scarring, but it's got a lot of soot. I think that I can clean this up. I'm probably gonna end up taking the heads off of all of them just to check them all, because I'm not looking to send these off to people that need engines and they're actually blown or whatever. We're back. I figured I'd update you guys. I plan to hopefully finish up the rest of the engines today. I have these two left to take apart. These two have been soaking from all the mystery oil, which is great. Hi YouTube, it's been a very busy day, very long day too. The engines are not together yet, okay? I have them, all of them have multiple mystery oil in all the cylinders. This one I originally had ripped apart because it seemed really rusty and crusty. I was able to hone out the cylinder myself, and same with that one. And these other three cylinders look okay so far from what I can see. So these three are definitely the closest to running on the end here. These two are going to require a little more work, so this one's going to need a fuel injector and a fuel pump. This one's going to need a little more interior work inside of it. As you can see, I did pull the crankcase apart, but I am making pretty decent progress, you guys. Just bear with me. Alright YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters.